Hello everyone, welcome to Quantum Guruji. So today in this video we are going to see how to do periodic calculation using Gaussian, and like why we are not choosing Gaussian for a periodic calculations, why we prefer Quantum Espresso, Metal Studio or WASP, why don't we choose Gaussian. So we'll discuss all these things in this video. So before that you need to have your input structure in the CIF format. Okay, so I have already designed one material. You can have anything. So I have designed this material in this Metal Studio, and I have saved in the .cif format here that you can see. So this is my lattice here. Okay, so you can see this is the unit cell in the cubic format, and now you can right click, go to the tools, and here you can go to the PBC, that is periodic boundary condition. Okay, so like Gaussian is also used for a periodic system calculations. Okay, and here you just click on enable space group symmetry. So these are detailed for the structure that I have chosen here. It's a cubic system, and it has a FT3M. This is the space group symmetry here, and these are the ABC of and alpha, beta, gamma of your lattice, that is the crystallographic axis. And other than that, we are having just one unit cell. You can increase to 2, and you can increase in another direction. So these are for those things, and these are the coordinates. Fine. So this was all about your lattice. Now suppose you want to start the calculation. Once you have the structure with a specific this space group, right click, go to the calculate, and Gaussian calculation setup. Here in the first you go to the PBC and make sure you have use PBC, periodic boundary condition here. Okay, now go to this job type. Here you select optimization, and here optimize to minimum, force constant default. Method you can select whatever method you want to use. Right now suppose I'm using DFT using PBE, pseudo potential, and PB functional, and basis set I'm using here. You can choose any basis set here. Okay, and other than that you can specify your memory and processor here, and in periodic boundary condition you can select this k-space integration method. You can choose default, or you can select it only at gamma, or you can specify the number of points. Suppose I want to increase the points to 2, 1. Okay, so you can put it here, and if you want the solvation method you can select any solvation method and just submit the calculation. So that's way like you will start a periodic calculation in Gaussian. But the like problem with Gaussian is like there is no specific problem, but the thing is most of the time you will encounter the convergence failure, and the SCF iteration is slow in this, and it takes huge time to calculate, and also you don't have much functional available, and not only the functional, even the basis set is also limited. So there are so many issues for periodic calculations in Gaussian. That's the reason like people are like avoid using Gaussian for periodic system calculation. But it's like you can do the calculation in Gaussian. It's not like you cannot perform a periodic calculation in Gaussian. Okay, so if you have any pertaining doubt, like any doubt pertaining to this video, or anything related to this Gaussian and this periodic boundary condition and the periodic calculation in Gaussian, put in the comment section. And thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching.